You have to share about what are your thoughts about being a superwoman.
To think about it, I've never really given it much thought. Do you ever regard yourself as a superwoman, Essa?
A superwoman must be super good, super perfect, super efficient. She must be very good at everything she does. I think it's a bit difficult. I mean, you and I were both perfectionists, right? When you do something, it must be perfect.
I think in the way I managed to do well is because of my passion. I remember when I was a child, my grandmother started off as an ama in KK hospital, pushing patients' carts, and she always wanted the next generation, her son, to do better than she did. My father did. My father became a nurse. So my father worked in Singapore General Hospital for a while before going on to Woodbridge Hospital, which is a mental hospital. And I also remember watching documentaries with my dad. So my dad used to show me open heart surgeries. And as a child, I was not scared. I was very excited to see all the gory, bloody details. And I know that from then, I think that was probably when I was 3 to 4, I wanted to be a surgeon. Yeah, then subsequently, what I do oncology, a lot of my relatives actually succumbed to cancer. My own grandmother, my uncle, and I got 2 other uncles that are closer, very close to me. One died not too long ago of liver cancer, and one died of lung cancer. And then I got another aunt that I love her cooking, died of breast cancer. And I remember since young I've always been going to hospital. And the funny thing is, I quite like going to hospital. It's like my second playground, And in fact, I quite like the Dettol smell.
When I was exposed to a series of cases with probably very bad results, then it occurred to me that, hey, these women, it's already bad enough that they have to deal with the diagnosis of cancer, right? But then after that, they go for cancer treatments. They also have to deal with a mutilated, distorted breast. Yes, because it defines a woman, right?
Yeah, I think being a woman, sometimes we can empathize with our patient. And I think being wife and being mothers, we can empathize with them as well. I always tell them that our goals are the same. Our goals is to get you well. Want to see you grow old with your kids, see your kids grow up and get married. So it's the same goal. So I always tell them, let's work towards getting you well.